Hello. What are the risks of power lines in crane operations and lifting operations? So, according to all international requirements and lower requirements, positioning and installation of the cranes are really important, and we have to ensure that we are actually at a safe distance from power lines. So overhead power cables or power lines present a danger for cranes and other appliances with extendable booms or masts. It's exposed to this danger. So it's recommended that the crane maintain a minimum air gap between the boom when extended to its maximum operational length and the overhead lines pylons. So what are these gaps? There are two gaps actually, depending on the pylon types. So one is 50 meters from high voltage lines supported on the steel pylons. So if the pylons are still metal and the edge of the boom must be the air gap must be 15 meter away from the airline pylons from the airlines. So 9 meters from high voltage lines supported on wood or concrete pylons. So it's a bit less than concrete or wood pylons, but still need to keep it at minimum as 9 meter gap from the power lines and 15 meter if the pylons are still. So that's it, and stay safe. Thank you very much, and see you on next videos.